What's up everyone, today we're going to be looking at Stable Diffusion. You've probably seen it if you're not been living under a rock on the internet, but it's basically open source DALL-E. So we're going to use that. It's easy to install on Linux. I'll put a link down to how I did it below, but you get this nice GUI and you basically write in a prompt that has to be carefully chosen, and then you can generate a certain image. This is the web UI here, so I can literally just put anything in here. Text to image unified. Converts text to an image. We could try something like a Roman statue recording a YouTube video. I wonder what that will happen. What will happen there? We're only going to generate one image just to test it. As you can see here it is generating. So it does 50 sampling steps, so that's how detailed you want the image to be. Width and height 512, I can't really do much more. So that didn't really work very well because I don't think a Roman statue works. So an ancient Roman recording a YouTube video. This is where prompts need to get better. Generate. There, look how depressed he looks. Yeah, anyway, so bad prompt. But if you put trending on ArtStation in, so obviously it's a neural net that's been trained using a lot of data, and a lot of that data is tagged, and ArtStation is a place for artists to share their image. This tends to just make it better. Let's see if that makes it better. Trending on ArtStation. Well, hey, it's made it better. Maybe he's recording a YouTube video there. I won't be able to tell, but he is built, and that is an ancient Roman. What about if we just put using a computer? Let's try that. Let's ditch this Roman one. Let's do ones I've already tested. So the prompts are difficult, but you can generate your own little medieval town. So if you're playing a role-playing game, you can be like, this is my town now. So you go digital illustration. So you have to do a digital illustration. So you have to sort of tell it what style of image you want. Of a medieval, correct your spelling, town. Put 4K in there, it sometimes makes them better. Detailed, again, these are just words that make it better. And then we want it to look fantasy. With vivid colors, because it was trained on American stuff, I assume. If I put colors there properly, it won't work. Wow, look, see, we got a little town. How cool is that? And then we can generate 9 images. Obviously, it takes a lot longer here.
Nearly done.
Hooray. Please load. Hey, there we go. Look, we got our fantasy towns. Wow. Looks like the Cotswolds in the UK with some scary dragons. Bit Hobbiton vibes. Very cool. These almost look like that kitsch artist paintings though. Like weird Gandalf there. They look cool, but they also look like they look too kitsch to me. But anyway, we can probably just delete fantasy vivid colors and see what we get. Did that work? Ooh, I actually prefer that. I don't know what's happened here. It's sort of split the image. This might be a problem with my installation, but what about if I put a photo, a painting of a medieval town? I wonder what that'll change. So we're changing digital illustration to painting.
Normally doesn't take this long. I think my recording is hardware accelerated, so if it's messing up, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. So you see what's happening. So we're on the right track with this one. Look, it's got the nice sky. We got the nice alleyway here. This looks better. I think this looks a lot better actually. So we're on the right track, and we know that. So if I wanted to keep iterating on this, I can. I could put like during a dragon attack. Just want to see if it puts a dragon breathing fire on top of people. I might have to manipulate my prompt a bit more to do that. Bush! Oh. Okay, I mean, it's put some... I kind of like this top-down view, but I've ruined it with the dragon. So this is sort of where you combine the two images together, right? You put a dragon attacking, and then you put a medieval town, and you take the two images and you put them together in GIMP. But anyway, medieval town, that one looks nice too. I prefer the painting than the digital illustration though. Interesting to know how much a simple word can change one thing. You can make characters look like GTA cover art. So I've got this one here. So Richard Stallman, you know who he is, in GTA 5, the game, cover art by Stephen Bliss, who made the cover art. You want it to be a box start, and it's also a loading screen. So these are just, no trending on ArtStation here, but these are like helpful things to put in. So I'll do 9 with this one because it can be very odd. But this should basically put Richard Stallman as a GTA character. Wow, okay, it's got Stallman there, but it's completely... Okay, things it can't do very well are hands and text. That actually says grand, which is very good, but... Whoa. Okay, that's kind of cool, actually. Like, if he was a bit more in frame, it would be good. He looks horrified. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a good one. I mean, that's the coolest one, I think. He looks like he's going to come, like, go stomp out your proprietary software or what have you. Before this, I did Richard Stallman as an anime girl, and this is what I got, by the way. Absolutely horrifying visages of the Stallman here. This prompt here generates good fancy landscapes, so this guy... So if you put the artist in, it changes it a lot. Why is it breaking my lines? But so this should generate a nice fancy landscape with a castle in the middle and a nice little river throwing up. Symbolic and meaningful style. It understands these words somehow. Magical. Okay, oh, it's done. Okay. This is not what I was expecting, but they're really cool, right? There's even trying to put the artist's name there. Look how cool these are. These could be like the inside illustrations of some 1980s fantasy book. Really cool. Really cool. I can't believe there's just crates. These are made out of thin air. Very cool. Right, so this prompt here should make, like, you know, those old still lifes of like cheese and wine and apples that you see. This should make one that look like that, but with fish and chips instead, which is a favourite of mine. The best food on the planet. I might have some tonight. I won't. I wish I could though.
I have a 3060 light hash rate. I can't crypto mine. I have a 3060 graphics card and it's taking me this long. I probably set it up very wrong, but that's because I used some installation script and it's not customized to my install. Anyway, nearly done.
Recording. Hey, that's so awesome! Look, there's even got a beer with tartar sauce on top. It's got the lemon. Look at that. It's even got a portrait. It's got the frame. Whoa, whoa! Look at this. Actually looks good, right? This looks amazing. Look how this there's no fish there. I mean, bruh. Dude, so good. These are the ones that I'm really impressed with. Like, look, this is beautiful. You can... He's got some popcorn there. Some Renaissance artist went overboard creating fish and chips. He's a 3. It batters the fish as well. It's very clearly British fish and chips. It doesn't have the skinny fries. It's got the perfect thick cut chips. Oh, it's even got some wine there. Look how amazing the shading on the wine is too. There's even a reflection in the wine. Bruh. What is going on here? How has it made this? This one has a beautiful background but no fish. Rubbish. But again, reflections in the glass. It has made those reflections. That's my favourite one, even though you've got a jug of tartar sauce ale or some beer with a head on it. Big head though. Odd shape. Again, lovely presented. Look at the nice curves on this. Beautiful. Shadows, perfect. Pristine image. That's incredible to me. That kind of blows my mind. I might be gushing. I'm gushing. Bruh. Let's do another one. Completely different though. We want a painting, because we know that word is good, of the night sky during an earth-ending cataclysmic event. So that should be cool, right? Some cool colours and boom, or maybe like a big, from the top down view, a big meteor. Realistic. That's a good one. 8K. Again, that just makes them higher quality. Trending on ArtStation. That is the magic word right there, everyone. Right, that's nearly done. Our cataclysmic earth-ending event looks like... Whoa, that is quite cool, right? Oh, ooh. Whoa. You even got some pyramids here. Or dunes. That's fucking cool, right? These are some cool, like what you could do is you could blow up this image and you could sell these as phone backgrounds. Like, people have these in backgrounds on their mobiles. Like, that is cool as hell. Some cool stuff, right? Okay. Right, that was just a quick look at what Stable Diffusion can do with its text to image setting. We're going to go for image to image next video, which is where you can actually draw something and then it makes it so much better for you. Yeah, again, not really much, just playing with it. I think it's really cool, and you should check it out. Bye. Subscribe, please, 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 please. Subscribe to, let's see, subscribe to the Mark McNally YouTube channel. 8K trending on ArtStation. Oh, yeah.